Hello my YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my friend here again and she's going to do Hermes unboxing. I know this is one of your favorite videos on my channel and I know it's always exciting when you see all these orange boxes. We're here in Hawaii and my friend and I, we went to the store and we pick up some really special pieces from the store. So the first box that, well, we're not going to unbox it because it is a gift that she picked for her husband. So it's a belt, but I'm going to insert some pictures that I took in the store. And I have to say Hermes has a lot of choices for men's belt. And a lot of the belts are reversible, so you can pick the two colors that you like. And also pick the buckle head.
Yeah, even this one too. But the belt buckle is slightly bigger on that one, huh? Oh, this is, ooh. This is this color on this side.
That's cute too.
You might like that one actually.
Okay, without further ado, let's get straight into the unboxing. So other than the belt, she also picked up a really gorgeous shoe for herself. So this is from one of Hermes' really classic collection. So can you guess what they are? Okay, are you ready? Yes, so these are the orange sandals. And I believe this is a newer design that they introduced this season. They came in two colors. One is the one in gold and also this beige color, and the other one is in denim color. I think both look really gorgeous, and I'm going to insert some videos or pictures that we took in the store when we were shopping for the sandals.
Yeah, with shorts and stuff. I think this would still match. Maybe this one's...
It's really hard to make a decision on whether we want the denim one or the neutral color or this beige one, but we eventually picked the beige one for my friend because as you can see from her outfit, it matches perfectly with the skirt that she was wearing, and we kind of think that the beige color goes really well with all your outfits. So I definitely see her wearing this shoe a lot, maybe with a lot of the different outfits. And the bottom of the shoe, so it's just leather. So I think over time it will get scratched, but I think, yeah, I guess people who bought Hermes shoes wouldn't care. And to be honest, price for this shoe is really reasonable. So I think it's around $800 US. And plus, because we're here in Hawaii, so we just paid Hawaiian tax, which is really good. Yep. So, okay, so that's for the shoes. Let's just put it back to the box. And I know you guys must be waiting for the unboxing of the bag. So I'm not going to tell you right now what bag she got, but maybe you can take a guess based on the size of the box. So if you are an Hermes lover like me, you probably know already at this point what bag it is. But I have to say, it's a really gorgeous color. I've never seen this color before in person, and we were so shocked when the sales associate unboxed it, at the store. So are you ready for it? So yes, I can. As you can tell from the size of the box, it is a Constance in the mini size. And it's in this gorgeous pink color. Ta-da! Oh,
actually, the pink looks a lot...
Rose Sakura! Yeah. The color of this bag is called mauve sylvestre, and or some people call it X9. And I have to say, camera doesn't do its justice, because in reality, the bag or the color of the bag look absolutely gorgeous. So, and this particular bag, it comes with rose gold hardware. So to be honest, I've seen this color with palladium hardware, and even that color combination looks really pretty, but it's really rare to see this color that comes with rose gold hardware. And my friend is going to open the bag. So you just pull the buckle out, And here's what it looks inside. So inside of this bag, this is made of Swift leather. So as you see, like this is really soft. I feel like it felt like a baby skin to me. But the outside, or the bag itself on the outside, is in Epsom leather. I think as your first Hermes bag for my friend, Epsom is definitely like the best choice because it's really kind of like durable and scratch resistant. So you can just like pretty much, you don't need to take really good care of the bag, and then you don't need to worry about it getting scratches. And then the back of the bag, it doesn't come with any pocket. Although like I have to say, like for the bigger size Constance, like the Constance 24, it does comes with a back pocket. And if you were to get a Constance in exotic skin, they also usually, if you get it in croc, for example, they also come with a back pocket. But for me, like I also have a Constance, as you know, that I don't mind not having a back pocket because like the Constance bag itself is really pretty. And speaking of my Constance, so my friend is going to like bring this up to do a side-by-side comparison. Oh my gosh, I feel like the gold color doesn't look as good when you compare it to, you know, this pink color. Yeah, I think gold is definitely neutral color, is more everyday, so you can match it with all your outfits. But this pink color is just so gorgeous. And I wish the gold bag also come with gold, or, you know, a rose gold buckle. But yeah, here's the side-by-side comparison. And as you may have noticed, so for the gold color bag, the stitching, it comes with white stitching. I think that's only the case for gold and also Etoupe color bags from Hermes. So for my friend's X9 color, I think it's the same color of stitching as the color of the bag. But yeah, both bags are pretty cute. And I can totally see my friend wearing this bag a lot, especially when she's wearing something like, you know, like white color or any type of dress in the summertime. So yeah, this is a really gorgeous bag. And now I'm going to insert the unboxing video that we took in the store. You know, like this like little black room, or like this dressing room that Hermes had reserved for all this like exciting unboxing. And then you can kind of like, we want to share with you like the joy that we had. It was a really pleasant surprise when we first saw the bag in person in the store. Alright guys, we believe the lighting in the room doesn't do this bag its justice. It's such a gorgeous color, and so that's why we came out to the balcony so that we can see the bag in natural lighting. How gorgeous is this color? And do you also see the rose gold buckle? Oh my gosh, I think this is the best color and hardware combination. It's just so gorgeous. By the way, my friend is wearing like a dress today, and I think it has a hint of pink or purple in her dress as well. So I think it just matches her outfit perfectly. Alright guys, so here's the side-by-side comparison. So this side, this is my friend's newest Hermes bag, the Constance in color X9 with rose gold hardware, and on the other side it's my gold Constance in the same size but with palladium hardware. So which one would you pick? Would you pick a more neutral color like my gold Constance, or would you pick a more brighter color for the summertime? I think I can totally see her wear this bag in winter too, right? Imagine that you're wearing like a sweater, and then you can easily, like, you know, wear this bag either crossbody, or like what she's doing now, you can wear it kind of like double strapped and then wear it on the side. Alright, so which Constance would you pick? Please comment down below and let me know. And I really hope that you enjoyed today's unboxing video. We're super excited that my friend got this bag, and she's going to absolutely enjoy this bag. Alright, if you like this type of video, or if you want to see more unboxing videos, whether it's Hermes, Chanel, or Louis Vuitton, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like today's content, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!